Hi guys, this is a quick video just to show you how to do matrix operations using your graphics calculator. So I'm just going to use this graphics calculator simulation that I've got here. It is an older version of the calculator, so yours will look slightly different, but the buttons should all be the same. So what we're going to do, we're just going to use the very first option on the menu, which is run mat. And now you know what mat actually stands for. It stands for matrix, because you can do matrix operations in there. So if you want to enter in a matrix, what you're going to do, on this simulator it's under F1 for mat. On your new graphics calculators it's actually over F3. It's got mat vector, so that's the only difference there. And then you can basically enter up to 26 matrices, so there's one for each letter of the alphabet. So we've got this first one here, mat A. If I hit XE, it's going to ask me for the dimensions, m by n. So I'm going to make it a 2 by 2, and then hit XE, and then I can just type in the numbers that I want to have in my matrix. So I'm just going to make up some numbers. They can be anything you want. And once you've done that and you're happy with the matrix, you can just click on Exit, which takes you back to this screen. I might put in a matrix called B as well. So I'll just make that a 2 by 2 as well, just to keep things simple, because we know we can do lots more if they are the same order. And I'll just click Exit again, and then exit back to this main screen. Okay, so if I actually want to do something with the matrices, what you need to do is firstly push the Shift button. Apologies, the Option button. So push the Option button, and then you under F2 you'll have mat. I think on your calculator it says mat vector, but it's the same thing. So we're just going to go to F2, and the very first option there under F1 is mat. Now you need to use this little function every time you do a matrix operation. So let's say I want to add A and B together. I'm going to do F1 for mat. Now I need to type the letter A, and what you'll notice is on the calculator, above all of these buttons, there's little red letters, so A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. We're actually going to type it in using that, and the alpha button, which is red, is what gives us those red letters. So if you click on alpha, and then push on the button for A, it's going to enter in A. And then I can just go plus, and you'll see mat is still here from that menu. So if I go F1 again for mat, and then I'm going to go alpha and press the B button. So now I've got matrix A plus matrix B, and if we hit XE, it will actually show us the answer. And when you do this on your newer graphics calculators, it will actually bring the matrix up directly underneath where you did the operation. So it actually looks a bit nicer on the newer ones yet again. So if I just hit XE, it just says done. As I said, on your new calculator, it'll actually have the matrix here still. We can multiply by scalars. So if I did, if I wanted to do 3 times and then matrix B plus 2 times matrix A, I could do that, and it would give me the answer. So it can do quite complicated operations. We can also do matrix multiplication. So if we go mat A times mat B, it will actually do the multiplication for us, which is really, really useful. There are a couple of other things you can do. You can calculate a determinant, which is something that we will learn about. So if you push F3 under determinant, and then say A, oh sorry, it has to be det mat A, so the determinant of matrix A. So det mat A, it will actually give you the determinant, which is a special number for that matrix. There's lots more that you can do. And on your graphics calculator, you might see that there's even more options. In fact, if you're using this in your graphics calculator and you go across, you should actually see some options there for vectors as well. Okay, I hope that's been useful. Have a play around with it, and it might make working with matrices a bit faster, and you can also check your answers that you've got. Thank you for watching.